50. What does the Procurement Integrity Act restrict?
Section 27 of Public Law 100-679, the Procurement Integrity Act, has been legally binding in its current form since January 1, 1997. Its four main provisions pertain to: a ban against disclosure of procurement information, a ban against obtaining procurement information, a requirement for procurement officers to report employment contacts by or with a competing contractor, a one-year ban for certain personnel against accepting compensation from the contractor. The Procurement Integrity Act is encapsulated in FAR 3.104. Participating personally and substantially. Participating personally and substantially in a federal agency procurement means active and significant involvement of an individual in any of the following activities directly related to that procurement: drafting, reviewing, or approving the specification or statement of work for the procurement, preparing or developing the solicitation, evaluating bids or proposals, or selecting a source, that is, a contractor, negotiating price or terms and conditions of the contract, reviewing and approving the award of the contract, restrictions on offers of employment. If an agency official who is participating personally and substantially in a federal agency procurement for a contract in excess of the simplified acquisition threshold, currently $150,000, contacts or is contacted by a contractor who is a bidder or offerer in that federal agency procurement regarding possible non-federal employment for that official, the official shall: 1. Promptly report the contact in writing to his supervisor and to the designated agency ethics official, or designee, of his agency. 2. Either reject the possibility of non-federal employment or disqualify himself or herself from further personal and substantial participation in that federal agency procurement until the agency authorizes him or her to resume participation in such procurement, on the grounds that a. The contractor no longer is a bidder or offerer in that federal agency procurement, or b. All discussions with the bidder or offerer regarding possible non-federal employment have been terminated without an agreement or arrangement for employment. Post-employment restrictions. Any former agency official may not accept compensation from a contractor as an employee, officer, director, or consultant within a period of 1 year after serving as a member of a selection board or as the chief of a financial or technical evaluation team for a procurement in which that contractor was selected for award of a contract in excess of $10 million. Release of proprietary information. The Procurement Integrity Act also prohibits any person who is given authorized or unauthorized access to proprietary or source selection information regarding a procurement from disclosing such information to any person other than one authorized by the head of an agency or a CO.